guys, you can see I'm gonna be playing some Brawl PVP in the hypixel. So I'm gonna wait for more players. I always say be right back because I want the video to end very quickly, but no. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for more people, so be right back. Yep, gonna say it. Look at that. Almost there. Almost there. Already. Alright. The game started. So let's play Brawl PVP. Alright. Killing the scores. Right, killing the scores. This is if I got killed, I'm gonna pause this video. If I get killed, I'm gonna end the video out here. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See ya in the next video. Thank you for watching me play Brawl PVP. So see ya.